Students, good morning. Come in. So now students who are in the online, am I audible? Online students, I am asking. Okay. So now we'll move to the further. Shall we switch off the coolers? Huh? No, sir. Raise the hands. You stand up once. Yeah. Stand up. What are the functions in dictionary? Subject important or cooler important? Subject or cooler? Switch off. Now peace of mind. My cooler also not on. Right. You need subject because resound is coming. Tension. Right. So who need fan? Who need cooler? Raise the hands one more time. Girls don't need because they want subject only. Boys, you want cooler? Okay, students. Now let's start the discussion. Fans and in middle, I only will switch on. Okay, because we beginning I want to introduce subject. Later we will switch on. Okay, right. You are free after half an hour. You only will switch on the cooler, and that time I'll ask the question again. Okay. Don't fear, students. Whenever you feel little hot, you switch on. No. Let's move to the further, guys. Now, last class, we already started with the example on it, data frame, and what we discussed, accessing the data from data frame. What are the functions? Head of number of rows, tail of number of rows, describe, and next is shape. Shape is the attribute. And after that, one more thing I said, slicing based. I said some number of rules and all those things in the class. And after that, iter rows with a column concept also I said, random column concept also I said. Might be you practiced it. Practiced? Okay. Now today, I'm going to deal with the same concept only, accessing the data from data frame. There I'm going to start with the different functionalities, compulsory discussion, students, accessing the data, pandas. There I'm talking about LOC, and next is what? ILOC. These are the two things I'm accessing. They are also meant for what? Accessing the data only. This is most important, students. Every person in interview point of view, what is the difference between LOC and ILOC? You will come across. Okay, let us start. Here I'm going to write it. Here LOC, and next is what? ILOC. LOC and ILOC. They are supposed to apply something different, students. They are called functions. Their functions means how do you apply like this, right? But you are supposed to use what? Square brackets. They have a peculiar syntax they designed it. Are the two functions, are the two predefined functions, present in both, come on, where? Series and what, data frame objects. Now there is a difference between ILOC and LOC. Every person will ask this difference. And I already said to you in the class also once, if you remember. Now I'm going to take up LOC here. There I'm going to discuss what is LOC here. There I'm writing LOC of. Whose syntax is something like this. Come in, ma. Whose syntax? Now I'm going to write it. Again, he came late. My favorite student came late. So, come on, sit down fast. Now, coming to the point of it, my dear student, fast, sit down. Now, arranging the bag, sitting it, if you take 10 to 15 minutes, Backside people are moving their head this side and that side. Set right. Now I'm going to take up data frame object of what? LOC. There are a lot of syntaxes are there. Syntax 1, syntax 2, so many syntaxes are there. What this LOC function will do basically? The LOC function can obtain or can be LOC function is used for slicing the data from data frame. Slicing the data. Do you know the meaning of slicing the data? Sliced data. Sliced data means what? Rows, columns, or column slicing, row slicing. Example. Let me take an example. I am having 10 row students. 10 rows means from where to where? 0 to 9. I have some columns also. That also what? 0 to 9. Is it my data frame or not? In this data frame, I want to sliced data. Is one of the good word. I want to get 4 to 6 records. 4 to 6 records. Is it not called 4, 5, 6? Is it not called sliced data? Sliced data. What do you mean by slicing? Getting a part of main data is called what? Sliced data. Either in the form of row or in the form of what? Columns. This is a sliced row data. What columns I want? 4 to 6 columns I want. 4 to 6 columns. Either row sliced data or column sliced data we can obtain by using LOC. So both ILOC and LOC is used for what? Used for slicing the data. Slicing the data either on the basis of what? Come on. Rows in the bracket I will always write what? Index or what? Columns. That is columns. That is nothing but what here? Columns I will write it. Because you know this is a syntax in the data frame. Columns. Now how this ILOC function? LOC function always takes index, row index, and what? Column names, column names only, never takes column indices. See, column indices. It will take always what? Column. When you want to slice the data based on what? Columns. It takes what? Column names. If you want to get row related kind of thing, it will take what only? Row index. Are you getting? One more point to understand is LOC function always slice the data from pandas objects, that objects can be what? Series object or what? Data frame object. From where? Begin index to what? End index in the case of rows. Begin column to end column in the case of columns. It won't apply. Begin to end -1 will not apply. Are you able to get it? Slice the data from where? What is this now? Begin index to what? End index. Inclusive. Both of them are inclusive. Very, very important. Both of them are inclusive. And also what? And also takes what? Begin column name to where? Begin column name to what? End column name. I'm talking about in the form of what? Columns. End column name. Both of them are inclusive. Here also I will write both of them are inclusive. So row side column indices included. And then next is what? Row indices included, column names also will be included. I hope you are getting me. So next I'm going to say the various syntaxes are available here. Let me show you. Let me show you that the syntax number 1, syntax number 2, so many syntaxes I prepared. In the formula level, let us coming to my formulas here. And I already made you, yesterday only I made you. Please understand, in a short format I wrote here, start, stop, index, included. What is this meaning of index? Row, included. Included means include or excluded? And column names can be used to get the data from where, but not. Yes, we wrote it. Now, syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3, syntax number 7. I can say one syntax and I can finish it. Now I am writing what? Syntaxes of what? Come on. LOC. Syntaxes of LOC. It's a very useful kind of function this is. So here I'm going to write it. What is this syntax number 1 will give? Syntax number 2 will give. I'll show you one by one. Shall we start up? Right. First syntax, second syntax with example. Any one of the syntax, if you remember, you can do it, but try to. My advice is remember all the syntaxes. Read out data frame object of LOC dot LOC square bracket. And once again, my dear students, not this part, not this part. It is called what? Square brackets. And what is this is called? Row number. Row number. So it is straightforward. We'll go to that row number and then it will get it. Let us go to the Jupyter notebook. Let us go to the Jupyter notebook here. So I'm going to take it. LOC. Did you practice yesterday's examples? What, boys in the back? What? Only reading or daily? Daily reading. Good boys. Boys in the back is very decent students, but they don't talk at all. Are you practicing? Not talking again. So here, coming to the point of it. Understanding about, so here I am writing examples on where? Pandas. What is that function name? LOC of. LOC of. Now here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Complete examples we'll discuss on that. All the syntaxes. Come on now. Import NumPy as NP. Next is called what? Import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Now let us go to that place. I will bring one people's information. I will get it. People's information already you have yesterday now. So that part I will bring it. That data I will read it. So go to the place. Now coming to the place. Now I'm going to get it. Get the data set. Get the data set from where? People's dot what? CSV. How do I get it? DF is equal to PD dot, I forget, read underscore CSV. JSON file also same, read JSON. Excel file also same. I will take up that also. This is a major important. So what is this now? People's dot what? CSV. People's dot CSV. So there I will write what? Double slashes. Double slashes I will write. You can write a reversed slash of that also you can write. You know that everything now. So here I am writing what? Data frame data. Data frame data. Data frame data. So here I'm going to get it. Print of this. Print of what? DF. So you are going to get this entire data. Careful students. And yesterday I forget to tell you one small thing. Suppose you want to find out on the spot how many columns are there, how many rows are there, if everything, if you want. There is one more small thing is there. df.info. Spell out info. What is info? Huh? Info, మీకు తెలుసది, you know, but acting that something new. Info, spell out. Info is a function in where? df. Present into series also, it will give you. Come on, read out. Come on, read out. What is this now? Range index, 16 entries, 0 to 15. 16 entries, 0 to 15 called what? 16. Data frame, data columns, how many? Total 4 columns. What is the column name? CID. What is this ID? 0 index. Not null count. Not null count means no null values. What is the not null count? 16. What is that? Not null count. Int type. Int 64. Name. What is that? 16 count. What is that? Object. State object. DSC object. What is this now? Int 64 one column. Object 3 columns. Total memory usage is what? 64 644 plus bytes. This is obtained by what? Info attribute. Info attribute. So I'm going to say info is a predefined function. Info is a predefined function present in which objects? Series and then data frame objects. Very, very important. Data frame objects, and gives the following information. Following information I am showing you now. Number of columns are showing. Number of rows I am showing. Whose their names? What are the not null values? Their count, their types, memory usage, everything is given. Is it nothing but an information about my data frame or not? Now, I am going to apply. See, my dear students, syntax number 1 I am applying. As usual, I will copy this. Be careful, ma. This part I am copying. I'll add the description immediately. I'll add the description immediately. Go there. This is a part. What it will do? What is my data frame? Come on, print. This is my data frame or not? So I want to go for printing. I want to go for printing this seventh record. Seventh record I want to print. What is my formula here? Row number. Tell me, mom. Df of what is this now? Get what? Seventh record. Get what record? Seventh record. Df dot ILOC of what? LOC. LOC of what? 7. What is the 7, mom? 7 is called my row number or not? 7 is called my row number. Yes. Now we are going to get it. CID, name, state, DSC, and then whose ID also will be coming. That is number of it, all these things. Are you able to get it? Now, this is an information which I am getting. DF dot LOC of, now I'm getting something like I'm going to get it. I'm going to write it. Third, I'm going to write it. Third, I'm going to get third. So third record is going to come. Are you able to follow? So what is the syntax of this? What is the syntax number 1 gives? Come on, fast. Gives the record from, gives the specified record. Gives the specified record from where? Data frame. Data frame. Go to the place. Now I am saying here. I am going to write it here. Now I am writing something like 30. 30. Do you have 30 here? No. What will be happening? It gives you error. You already know 30 is a unique thing. It is going to give you here what? Key error. Key error. So gives key error. Here I will write gives which error? Key error. Key error. Because 30 row ID, 30 row ID, or I can say row ID 30 does not exist. That's why that type of result will come. I'm not going to keep that entire error page over there. Are you following? So tell me, gives specified record from data frame by passing what is that? Row index. That is nothing but what? Row number. Are you following? Yes. Now I'm going to take up the second thing. Be careful, ma. Data frame object dot LOC. Row number. That is called a row index. If you want row index also, you can say, I just wrote row number, row index of a particular column I want. I'm having in my data frame print of df. Now I'm having seventh one is available. I want only what? Name. Only name I want. Seventh one, only name I want. So it is just like an intersection point of it. How do you write it? And it is the most suitable. Go to the place. Here you see syntax number 2. Row number you need to pass it, comma, you need to specify the column name. Column name. So let us go to the syntax number 2. Syntax number 2, I am going to get it. What is the syntax number 2 says? Syntax number 2 says data frame, pass your number and then get it. So I'm writing the example. Get seventh record name. Seventh record name. How do you write it? df dot loc of 7 comma in the bracket you need to write what? Name. So you need to carefully follow the case sensitive student. Name. Are you getting? See this now carefully. You are going to get a name is called Udaya. Are you able to get it? Next I will get it. Now I will get it. I'll get it. Third, get the third record. Third record I want. Third record name I want. How do I get it now? I say 3. I say 3. See carefully. Suppose if you say here what I am writing. In this case, if you write it what? 1. What is that 1? Column index. This is a 0th row, 0th column, first column, second column, third column will give you error. So LOC always deals with the column names, row numbers. So this will give you what? Error. So it is going to give you error. None of the index 1 is going to be not at all possible here. It is big error is coming and a Jupyter notebook and this pandas will give you a biggest error mechanism here. So I'm writing here, what is this error? Come on, key error, because what is this reason for it? Understand the reasons, key error, because LOC function can operate only on column names, but not on column indices, not indices. That's why you'll be getting. This is one is the problem or not? Yes. So we understand here. LOC always takes what? Row index and a column names. Always takes row index and a column names. Row indices. I can write it. Row indices and column names. Slice the data on this series, begin index and end index, and a column names only will be taken, but not other things. And this will give you, come on, what is an answer? You got it? This I am writing for future purpose to understand. Gives specified record from the data frame object by passing same thing, but we are going to get it what? Here entire record is coming, gives what? Specified record column names. Specified record column names. Specified record along with specified column names. The two specified column names from which object? Data frame object. Data frame object. I hope you are getting this. Clear? Huh? Yes. So what you are saying that row number and it is a column name, you will get it. Suppose I want 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, etc. Go to that example. Coming to the same point, I will get third row related, third record name and what? State. Name and state. How do you get it? Name, comma. What I will write, ma? State. Third record state. So I'm getting here name and then state is getting here. Are you able to get it? Like that, you can just pass any number of names. Go to the next point. After that, I am applying here indexing mechanism on what? Row. So if you want, I can mention it row index. It's a better because in the description also I used it. Row index and next row begin index. Row begin index and next is what? Row end index. Row end index. And then next what? Step. Yeah, last class also I said same rule here also applicable. Nothing difficult here. So gives what? Come on, fast. Gives list of records, or subframe of records, subframe, subdata frame of records. That is called sliced data. Subframe of records from where? Data frame by specifying what index? Row begin index, and what? Yes, and row end index. It gives you from where? Both of them inclusive, because I already written in the beginning only. Both of them are inclusive. Both of them are inclusive. So from I can write it. From specified row begin index to row end index. So both of them inclusive. Don't apply like our previous formulas. Both of them included. Both of them included. So here I am going to write it. So if without writing, if I give as it is this formulas, 2 days you will remember, 3 days you will remember, later you will forget. Instead of that, for a long-term purpose to keep with this alive, I will be going for this. Let's start here. Print of what? Print of what now? df. Print the data. Now apply this syntax here. Apply this syntax number 3. Go into this place and try to say syntax number 3. Syntax number 3 here. Done. Come on now. Get the records. Get the records, or get third record to seventh record. Come on, I forget. df dot loc of 3:7 included or excluded 3 to 7? Is it 3 to 7 minus 1 or 7 also? Beautiful. Is it 3 to 7 coming or not? 3 to 7 is coming. It is also one type of what? Data frame. Subdata frame. Subdata frame students. If you get it, df1, you can store it in df1 also. Print of what? df1 comma type of what? df1. So there I will say 4 to what? Something like 4 to something like 9. 4 to 9, all of them are included. What happens? df1 comma, yes. df1 comma. So I say comma here. So df1 comma, you are going to get data frame again, subdata frame. 4 to 9 came or not? Both of them are included. Now I want to get it what? Get alternative records. Get alternative records. Get alternative even records. From where? From data frame. I forget all the records. Colon. No beginning, no ending means everything. What is this? 2, 0, 2, 4, etc. So you are going to get it. This thing 0, 2, 4, 6, etc. 14. Are you getting it? Now get all the odd records. Get all the records. I forget. Odd records. I forget. Come on. Beautiful. So that indexing and slicing is beautiful to you. So here, come to the point back. It is called 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. 15. Everything is coming. Are you able to follow? Simple. This is comes under what? Getting the records. Both of them are inclusive. Go to your syntax now. Is it clear? Next. I want to get it in the entire records. This is what you are getting it. In the entire records, I want certain column details. That is what I am saying. See, now from now, if you look at the other syntaxes also, it is so simple. If you remember this direct syntaxes now, things are so much simplified. What I'm going to say, ma, here same wording I want to write it. In this place, tell me, ma, what is this now? Row index, row begin index, row end index, step. Here all the records are coming or not? But a particular things only I want to get it. Alternative record names I want to get it. Even record names I want to get it. Odd records names I want to get it. That time I'll go for this kind of syntax. So gives you what? Same thing I am going to give you. Gives all the records, same wording I will write it. Follow me. Gives all the subframe records from specified things, from where specified beginning index to where end index. I'll add something here. Gives subframe of records with specified column names. Specified column names, even specified column name or names, anything I can write it, either name or names from data frame. If you apply on series also, you will be getting on series also, no doubt in that, because series is going to be a part of what? Data frame only. You know already those things. From specified begin index to where specified end index, both of them are included. So I hope you are following, students. So go to this syntax now. I will try to write this syntax. Here I am writing syntax number 4. Instead of sitting quiet and calm, try to speak out. If you don't speak out, I will just go on showing the example and I will finish it off. When I am writing now, try to speak out. If you don't speak out, nothing will come to you. Because already you have seen 22 years. Nothing is there in the brain. At least speak in the class. Come on, what is that? Now I want to get it. Total, this is my data. Data frame data. I will print the data frame data. From the data frame data, I want to get it what? Only names I want. From where to where? From 4 to 9 records. Only names I want. These names I want. Only these names I want. How do you get it? Df of dot loc of 4 to 6, 4 to 9, okay, comma, of what? Yes, only name I will write it. Only name I will write it. This will give you 4 to 9 name things will come. So I'm going to get it. Get the names of what? Fourth record to ninth record. Fourth record to what? Ninth record. So how do I write it? Df dot LOC of 4 comma 9, 4 colon 9, yes, 4 colon 9 of what? Yes, name. So I'm going to get the name of them. Getting or not? You can keep them into where series object also. Only names I'm getting or not? Only names. Is it a series or data frame? Some X I'm saying, and a print of what? X comma type of what? X. X comma type of X. Ma? Okay. Okay. So, okay, cool. You become hot now. Environment is hot. Print. Print of what? Yes. Because if you come and see my keyboard situation, almost X is not visible properly. A is not visible properly. Because daily I will deal with this only. Almost letters are not visible. Because daily I am typing now. Letters also gone. So I'll change my keyboard. Okay, students, anyhow, please get this. Am I getting or not? This also going to get it. And here I am getting what also? Series also. It is, we felt that series, but what are coming? Indices also coming. That also taken as what? Here indices are there plus name is coming. It is nothing but something like a data frame only. Are you able to get it? Yes. So coming to the next 4 to 6 along with what? Names. Indices are there plus name is also there. That is definitely called what? Data frame only. Able to get it? Now I want to get it. All the another things. State also I want to get it. Get the names and what? States. State of fourth record to what? So I will write what now? State. I wrote it. So I'm getting this kind of thing. Are you getting this? Now I want to get it something like get all the names. Get all the names and states of what? All records. All records. All even records. All what? Even records. How do I write it? Come on, I forget. colon 2. Yes, colon 2. I am getting alternative records. Get all the states, names and states of the people with what? Odd records. Odd records means what? 1 colon. So you are going to get the rest of them. Are you able to get, students? A very useful syntax. Getting or not? Yes. Next I'm going to get it. Another kind of discussion, students. Another kind of discussion. These are description of my syntaxes. See, students, here I'm going to say fifth record. What this says? Of course, whatever I said, just now same thing. It is a single column is coming. Single column here. Actually, I can combine both of them, but I don't know. I wrote separately here. I'll write the copy and paste the same thing. That also will give you the same description. Here what? Column names. And don't try to get, while reading, don't try to get what is the difference here. Only one column I said. Here what I said? Many column names I said. Row beginning to what? Rows index to beginning to ending. And this is done like this. I hope, students, you are understanding the meaning of this entire thing. So specified rows and columns. This is for your notes purpose I am giving, for the long-term purpose, where you can refer these notes and you can do things perfectly. So this syntax also already available. Here I will try to write in this place only. In this place only I will write it. In this place. This is comes under syntax number 5. Syntax number 5. Done. Next is syntax number 6. I want to go to syntax number 6. See, all of you. Data frame dot loc. You are applying anyhow row related indexing, slicing, but here we are applying what? Column related slicing also. Column related slicing also. I am having so many columns are there. First column, second column, so many number of columns are there. I want this column, this column, this column, alternative columns I want. I cannot write the name of the column, name of the column, name of the column. I want to say simply what? First column, colon, last column, colon what? 2 I will write it. 2, colon concept. Generally, colon concept with slicing is applied on only what? Numerical data. Numerical row indices only. But we are first time seeing that what? Indices can be, slicing can be applied on column names also. So let us, important, I am going to take it. This also, column name 1, column name 2. Both of them are included. Even in my description also I mentioned it. Always get the data, series object, both begin index and end index included. And the begin column name and end column name also inclusive. The total, all these syntaxes, sessions I wrote in the beginning only. Understand, students? So coming to the point back, here I am going to give the description. What is the meaning of that? Obtains records from the data frame. Not only by applying row related indices, we can also get it what? Column related indices. So I'm going to get it. Here I will write it. As it is, I will take it. As it is, I will take it. Gives subdata frame of records. Subdata frame of what? Records. Subdata frame of records. Specified column names. Specified column names. Just to try to take out. And then I will adjust it. So here, specified row beginning. And the next is called what? Look at the syntax. This is called what? Row related indexing. Subframe of records, specified column names, specified column, specified row begin index, end index. I will write it. Row begin index. I'll adjust it. Then you just follow me. Specified row begin index and what? Specified row end index, end index, end index, along with specified column begin and what? and column end, column end, column end. Here I am applying slicing operation on both what? Rows and columns. That is a special concept here. Columns. Actually, I need not to tell you these many syntaxes. First two syntaxes, I can say it is over. But if I'm saying this means, if you remember, you are good. So this gives you subframe of records with a specified row beginning, row begin index, row end index, along with a specified column begin and specified column end. Slicing operation on both rows and columns. So there, what is happening with that? With this, what is happening? From where? From which object? From data frame object. From data frame object. After that, I will just read out again. Give subdata frame of records with a specified row index, row end index, along with a specified column begin, column end, slicing operation on both rows and columns from data frame, from given data frame. This entire thing makes you to understand. This entire thing makes you to understand getting records only. Are you okay, students? Let's go. Let's go to this example. Syntax number 6. Online students. Go to the syntax number 6. Print df first. Print df. There I am going to apply syntax number 6. Syntax number 6. There I will take up. Come on now here. What is this now? Get what? Get 4 to where? 4 to where? 6 records. 6 records with what I want? CID I want. And name I want plus designation I want. Name I want plus designation I want. How do I write name and designation? df dot LOC of 4:6, comma. You need to write name colon. I just write what? 2. I just write 2. What is the name? Is the place where you are starting with. Come on, row, column begin. No ending. No ending means up to last column. With what? Step 2. From name, step 2 is called what? Alternative. DSC will come. 6 record. 6 records. Name and, come on. Name and designation. Designation I want. Come on, say df dot LOC of 4:6, 4:9 and 10. Let us see big records. 4:9, comma what? Name, colon 2, colon 2. Am I getting or not? Name colon designation. Next I want to get it. Get to 4 to 9. 4 to 9. ID, CID, and what? State I want. Are they alternative or not? You see, guys, CID, and next one student is not at all listening. He's just adjusting his head. Whether head is working or not, I don't know. I want to ask the question to that guy. But if I ask that student, if that head is not working, our head will disturb. That's why I'm stopping. So I don't want to concentrate on such student. We are not in normal course. They're almost learning some useful things. Come on, how do you write it? Come on. So go to the place. What should I write it? CID and what? Like this. 2. 2 na? So you are going to get it. CID and state. Suppose I want from name to next, name to last I want. Get 4 to 9. Name to 9 records. From where? Name to all. Name to from column name, from name column to last. Name column to from name column to last column. Last column. From name onwards, I want everything. Come on, how do you write it? Comma. What is this? Name colon. That's all. Name colon. You will get from name to all. Name, state, DSC. Are you getting? Right. I want to get up to state only. Designation I don't want. So get what? 2 to 10. Get to 2 to 10 records. 2 to 10 records. 2 to 10 records. What I want? 10 records with CID to CID name and what? State. I don't want to write CID, name, state. I don't want because I understand that they are going to be CID, name, state. Is it step 1 column or not? Come on, how do you write it? So I will write what? Colon state. Good. You can write multiple ways. You know, students, you already know how well you are. Come on, what is that now? CID, CID, CID. What is this now? Colon. Come on, mom. State. Included are both of them. So I'm saying that 4 to 9 included. CID to state also included. CID to state also included. 4 to 9 also included. Are you getting that? So here I am writing now. Here I am writing now. Colon what? State. Colon state. I am getting it. Are you able to follow? Yes. Able to get it out? Yes. Now next, this is the way I want to get it. Like this, you can specify any of the columns. Suppose this only 4 or 5 columns are there. Sometimes you'll have 20 columns also. 20 columns also. In the 20 columns, I want alternative column names. That time this syntax is most useful. Understand? So one student is asking, Naga is asking, sir, can we get first 2 letters of name? 2 letters of name from 4th to 9th records. Why not? You can get it. Already, you know, our string data is there or not? Already our string operations are there. What are the string operations? Only these first letters. You convert everything into which type? STR type. STR type. That STR type you will write what? 0 to 2 you will write it. 0 to 2 means what you will get it? 0 to 1 letters you will get it. First get the names. 4 to what is this doubt? 4 to 9 records you want. 4 to 9. How do you write it? Convert it to series first. How do you write the series? S is equal to PD dot series of that read underscore CSV. First of all, S is equal to, already I said this type of term, PD dot read underscore CSV. You will write this entire thing. Come on. Use calls. Use calls is equal to what? Name. Use calls is equal to what? Name. Name will be within that or not? Name. And what is this now? Dot what? Squeeze. What will come? Series. From the series, what I want to get it? String functions I will apply. What is the string functions I will apply? From the series, I will get what? Name related thing. I can apply S of what? That entire thing. We can take that data. And of course, that string related functions, I will tell you once in the class, students. We already discussed str functions. That functions, once again, I will tell you on data frame names how to apply. On this how to apply. Even in one case study also I said 2 upper, 2 lower. One case study also discussed in the class. Discussed or not? With that, you can happily do that. Already said. So Naga, my dear student, I hope so, if you remember it. Already some case study related things I said. Now, go to the further, another syntax I will take it. Next is what? Data frame object of LOC, start, stop, and etc. And you are going to use step. And the same thing, here no step is there. By default, step 1. This is called with the step I wrote it. This also almost equal to that. This is also already done as a part of our example. Nothing is difficult. I'll just put it over there. As a part of our documentation, I just put it here. So here, with this things, here I can write it. This is comes under syntax number 7. And earlier also syntax is already available. Syntax number 7. This will give you with what? Step. So with the step, if you want, you can get it. So I can write it with the default step. I can write it with the default step 1. With the default step 1. So with the programmer defined step. 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 If I write this one, if I write it colon -1, if I write, what will happen? All column names will be printed in reverse order, reverse process. That already you are aware of it. This is about which function? LOC. Now I need to go for what? ILOC. So if we come back once, if you want to see, if we come back once, if you want to see, get the things of that. Now I am going to write it. Here I am writing. Here I am writing colon -1. If I write it, what is happening? DSG, state, name, CID. Are you following? This is the one. Already we have done this kind of things. Okay, students? Fine. So, as that Naga asked, now I am asking, anybody is remembering my case study? Can anybody can say this data? Anybody is ready to tell? What is this question? Name is there now. Name first 2 letters you want. How do you get it? First of all, how do you get the name? You tell me. First you get, how do you get the name? Print of what? DF. DF. Name I want to get it. How do you get the name? 1 minute ma. For name in DF of what? Name. Name. Print what here? Name. Print name. Am I getting names or not? Names. Now, very easy. Very easy. I want to get it what? Colon of what? 0:2. 0:2. Beautiful. Right. So Naga, are you there, my dear student? Still, I said very complicated. Now it is simple. And total knowledge, if you keep it, it is very perfect. Because once if I explain, he did not respond. He did not respond means what? He did not understand. Once if I show the solution, immediately he said, yes or thanks. I want to see that. If he did not respond, again I will explain. Because I have to win his heart. That is my intention. Do you see that I want to satisfy you? Are you getting? I want to get this in reverse. I want to get this in reverse. See first, I want to get this in normal like this. This is a normal, right or not? So this is the things. I want to get those things in reverse. How do I get it? Colon -1. Colon what? -1. So you are going to get it. For name, for is gone. So done like this. So Vaishnavi becomes like this. Vaishnavi become like this. So something like this. Somebody, whenever I say Satya Gopal, sir, you're daily winning each and every one's heart. Okay. So Sandeep Kumar, thank you, Satya Gopal. You are already 1 hour heart, sir. You have temple also in your, you have a temple also in heart. In my heart temple is there? No. In my heart, Python is there. So, okay, my dear student. Yes, Harsha, I will show you, my dear student. Harsha is asking sir, please show me how to save in Excel format. That is export and import, I said. Did you remember my word? 10th class results I shown. I said I will calculate the total percentage grade. I will save the data to CSV file, I said, in my class. What you need in your career, everything is there with me. Now see, students. See, where is that? Where is that is available? Exporting to whom? Data frame. To whom? Data frame contains what data? Modified data. That I will export to whom? CSV. To whom? Excel. To text. To JSON. To whomever you export, you can export. Everything is there, students. Only thing is, level by level I am coming. Where I am in LOC. I am in LOC. One by one I will come. One by one I will come. Correct or not? Yes. So one student in our class only said, sir, pandas completed in 1 or 2 hours in our data science class. Correct? Correct? Yes. Now, when I'm covering everything, everything I will cover it. So, Sai, yesterday night in our area, earth, uh, earthquake came, sir. Sai, where are you, ma? Where are you? Sai, which area, ma? Which area that is? Huh? Naidupeta. Sai, where are you, ma? Yesterday night, okay. Namaz, Sheikh Namaz, Naidupeta. Okay. Tirupati district, okay. So, okay, ma'am. So, do you know, students, in Python, earthquake detection system is also there, you know. That is, no, I'm not joking. The meter which is recording now, the earthquake density, the code inside of it is having Python implementation. Python implementation, earthquake detection system. You type after going to home, earthquake detection system using machine learning. Some algorithms are already saying that in so and so place some earthquake may occur. It studies the weather, environmental weather reports. With that also they can detect it. These are all AI related kind of tools. Yes, seismograph. So the type of implementation also coming. Earlier days it was not there. So technology is increasing like anything. So coming to the point of it. So Saurav, sir, in market, new AI engineer tool came, Divine AI. Can you tell something about this? So, my dear student, definitely, I'll give some introduction at the end of this Matplotlib course is over. I'll tell you types of AI, what is an introduction. Again, if I go, at least one program I have to show you. What that program is, I'm having with me. You are 22 years old. You give me one pic, you scan and give me. I'll submit your image to my system, to my program. I will enter at which age your image, how you look like. At 45 years, how I am, you'll exactly look like that only. At 65, how you will look like, it will tell. At 80, you will look like, it will tell you. That is Gen AI, Open AI, Open AI. Are you following? Right. Because listen, why are you making nice? You want to find out girls? And girls are thinking, when we become 60 years, how I will be? Whether I'll take stick and I'll move like that. Come to the point. Boys, follow me. Now I'll move to the further. Here, done. I'll tell you so many things, students. Along with that, I have so many things also. This is only the formulas. Beyond this, the data frame concept is also there. That also I'll explain. Shall I move forward? Go to next what? ILOC. ILOC. So let me teach smoothly. If you ask in middle, I will go out of it and I will teach something and you will say, sir, I want that program, you will feel. So because in my free time, I will look for this something after 10 years, after 15 years, what is going to happen. In 1 year back only, one spiritual study says, of course, you don't feel this word, some community, I don't want to name it, that community has seen their Almighty was how in 500 years back. In 500 years back, suppose you are praying some X, whatever it might be the community. That X image in 500 years, how they are. You know, adult, before adult is what? Teenage. After that, what? After 60, they get one pic of what? Their early ages, how that is. So if I name it, it's not good. It's not a that type of class. So I'm saying some X community has decided in 400 years back how that spiritual power is available. They extracted one pic. and that pick was kept in one place. So I'm not going to name it, because if I name it, it leads to some partiality or something you will feel. That's why I'm not naming it. Yes, exactly. Exactly what this student is saying. This is what I said. Okay, let me move to the further. So I'll move to the further now. Let us start with what next? LOC. Now you are going to enter into the syntax of what? LOC. Now I'll go to what? ILOC. What is the difference between LOC and ILOC? Now I am going to enter. Here, ILOC, I will go for it. Let us move to the further. ILOC, I am going to take up. ILOC, I am going to take up. ILOC. What is this I stands for? Index or integer index. Index is of course integer only. So ILOC, easy to remember. ILOC is used for slicing the data either on the basis of row index or what? Columns. Now, ILOC always takes row indices and column indices. Here I am writing column indices only, never takes what? Column names. This is what an interviewer will expect it. That I itself will make you both row index as well as column index. LOC will give you what? Column names with what? Row index. Row index is common in both LOC and ILOC. Good. Come to the point of it. ILOC always slice the data from pandas objects from begin index to end index. Both of them are not inclusive. Inclusive, I said. Here what I will write? What I will write? Begin index included. Begin index included. And what? End index. End index. End index excluded. Excluded. Are you getting? Excluded. Very. Both in LOC place, both of them included. In ILOC, begin index included, end index excluded. That means a begin index to end index minus 1 it will take. And begin column index to what? End column index. There also same. What is this now? Begin column index included. Begin column index included. Next what? End column index. End column index excluded. Okay. Index X column index excluded. I hope you are following. Same to same. Here, whatever the syntax I wrote it, instead of writing what? Column names I wrote now. There I will write what? That's all. Just I need not to write again and again. Just I will write what? Column names will not come here. Here column numbers will not come here. Here column indexes will come. Okay, now let us have one small thing. There only you see same number, column names, etc. I just copied, pasted here only. What is this now? Row number. Compare this sorry. Row number. Okay, now next what more here? Column name. What is there here? Column number. But be careful here. Column number you see. How I wrote it immediately. Next what I said? Column number 1, column number 2. What is this now? Column start, column stop. Here what? Column start, column stop, step. This is row start, row step, everything same. Next here what? Row start, row stop. Only one column values I want. Here only one column name I want. Here I am writing what? Only column number. Row number 1, row number 2. Random row numbers I want. Here also what? Row start, row stop. Column number 1, column number 2. Any number of column numbers. Here only row number. Here row numbers, row start, row step, index. Here what? Colon. Colon says what? All rows. With what? Column number 1, column number 2. Any random column numbers you can use it. Shall I show you one by one? So will you understand this description? So I hope I need not to write it. So I'm just copying this. Why I'm giving separate. If I give at one places, syntaxes I'm going to write it. Syntaxes. Syntaxes of what? ILOC. ILOC. Here I'm writing. All of them, you just watch it and prepare the description for it. Here I wrote it already. Here I wrote it already. You prepare the description. Okay, students. Shall I write it down? Now go to what? ILOC here. This place, now I'm going to take this part, you take it. Separate example I want to take up. Example on, go to next part. I will take it here. Something like this. Here I'm going to say example on what? ILOC. ILOC. Here I will take it. Now I'm going to write it. Examples on import here pandas. Import here pandas as what? PD. Import pandas as PD. Let us carry on that part. Beginning I will go. I'll get the data. So this entire data from data set. From data set. When you go to any data analysis part, compulsory they will give data set. Under the data set, questions will be given. After my formulas are over, any kind of analysis report is given, you will do like anything. You will do like anything. And if you go to machine learning and deep learning, one algorithm is there. For example, linear regression is there. They have to explain the concept. Any mathematical statement is there. That mathematical statement related code you will write in Python. That you will apply NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. That is only the data science. With all algorithms will be there. The two algorithms are limited. If you learn 60 algorithms, you are the super data scientist. 60 enough. Actually, most of them will tell about only, with my knowledge, which I've seen so many times, 15 or 16 or maximum 20, they will tell. If you learn at least 40, any question in big Amazon interviews also, if you go, you will select like anything. They will ask regression analysis, KNN algorithms, differentiation, some statistics they will ask. That's all. And statistics means don't learn your college level. You learn statistics with applications. You have to learn it. Come on to the point back. Get the data frame. This is my data. Apply. First syntax. Data frame of what? Come on, I'm applying faster. What is this now? What is this says? Get which record? Seventh record. Seventh record from data frame. From where? Data frame. Come on, get it. df dot ILOC of 7. ILOC of 7. Getting or not? Yes. Now if you want, in that, I want only this. And one more thing, I want to get it. You keep it into some X. Keep it into some X. Print of X comma type of X. Type of X. Is it a series or not? It is a series. From there, I want to get it what? One name I want to get it. See, this is my series data. This is called series indices. Are you getting or not? Yes. Now I'm going to get it. ILOC gives you what? From data frame, one record is coming and available in the form of what? Series. There are two ways are there to get series. One is vertical column. You can take it as a series by using squeeze function. One more, you can take a record also in the form of series. That is by using what? LOC. Or LOC or ILOC also you can take it. Understand, ma? Right. Next, I want to get it. Get what record next? Get the record called ninth record. Third record I want to get it. Third I am writing. Third. So I will get it third. Are you getting or not? Yes. Now name is there. Name is there. So I want to get it name. How do you get the name? X of what, ma? Name. X of name. From the X of name I want to get it what? LAXMI I want to get it. LAXIMI. Lakshmi I want to get it. How do you get it, students? Colon 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. and 5. I will write what? 6. I'll write 6. Am I getting that or not? See, everything you can answer provided if you apply the suitable knowledge. Getting or not? Simple. So next I want to get it. Next I want to get it. Which record I got it? Third record. Is the syntax number 1 clear? Well, syntax number 2 I am writing. Syntax number 2 I am writing. How simple, students? Observe it. Syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2 says, ma? Why are you not speaking in the class? Speak out. This will give you what? Of one row number in one record, one column name only I want to get it. Get seventh record name. How do I get it, students? df dot ILOC of 7 comma name. Name is called what? Yes. CID is called what? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. What I will write it, ma? 1 I will write it. 1 I will write it. What I got it? Like that. Out of that, I want what? Reverse. Reverse of that I want, for example, -1. So I got it. Are you following that? Yes. So it is you already know this entire things. Already, why are you eating both of them nails? Both competitively you are eating. One, huh? You don't say anything because if I say they will keep it. If you say no, otherwise they will look at you. Don't say. Listen, listen both of you. It's very danger because you will concentrate on that only. Follow this. Now I want to get it. I want to get it syntax number 3. What is the syntax number 3? I will go to syntax number 3. What is this now? Row number. Particular columns only I want. So how I go for it? Syntax number 3. See, students. Here I am going for syntax number 3. These are the all most important formulas. Data frame of, come on, get 7th record, name and what? State. Name and state. How do you write, guys? df dot ILOC of 7 comma bracket 1 comma state state you see state name state 1 and 2. I will write 1 and 2. So get it. State is AP. Get it. What you know? Designation I want. What is that now? Name and what? Designation. Designation I want. What is this now? 2 comma 3. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. It is not necessary to write in the order. I can write 3 comma 1 also, no problem. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now, designation of what people I want? 4 to 6 records I want. 4 to 9 records I want. With a name and a designation I want. 4 to 9 records with a name and a designation. Get the name and designation of those records starts from 4 to 9. So 4 to 10 I will write it. 4 to 10 means what? 4 to 10 minus 1. And the next is what? That name, whatever the designation you set. Come on, next please. Data frame is a 4th syntax. Row start, row stop, column start, column start, colon, column stop. Column stop. Are you following? Instead of that, what I do is this part, 7th one I will keep it, ma. If it, here it is much relative. Here, if I write it, it is more comfortable, I feel. It is the 4th one. Others, you just look at. Come on. Row start, row stop. And the next is called what? Column number, comma, column number 2, comma, n number of columns. Shall we go for it? Yes. So that means I am applying here syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. Come on, students. Here I am applying. Come on, get what? Get 3 to where? 3 to 9. 3 to 9. 3 to 9 records. records with what? Names and designations. Names and designations. Yes, forget. Tell me now. df dot ILOC of, I forget. 3 : beautiful, comma, I say 1, 3. Super. 1, see, 3 to 9 only came. 3 to 10 did not come, excluded. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3, random columns. Taken it. Getting or not? Yes. If you want to get them in other kind of way, colon what? -1, reverse. 9 to 3 it is coming. 9 to 3. Out of that, only names you want. Out of that, only names you want. You can write it. Out of that, only names you want. You can write it. How do you get that now? df of, you can say, here I am writing in this place. This will give you what? This entire thing. Correct or not? I will write it. df of, I will write it. If you write it now, name. If you write it name, what is coming? Name. Are you getting or not? This is a data frame. Data frame of what? Name. I am getting the names of the people only. Getting, students? So simple. So simple. Whatever the way you want, you can mold it. That much beautiful things. Only you have to get the subject. Once you get the subject, you can mold it. Regular dialogue applicable everywhere. Good hairstyle, combing anytime. Rubber band anywhere. No hairstyle, no subject. Ring road, bypass road. Regular dialogue, always. Go to the next. Row start, row start, row step. Next. Step I want to apply. Step. I want all of them. I want all of them. With what? Name and designation only. What I will write it? Colon. All of them. All of them. What? Name and designation. Alternative things. Alternative things. Colon 2. Colon 2. Yes. 0 to etc. Okay now, students. So this is the one. You can apply. Now I am going to take up. Now I will move to the further. One more syntax. Here, after that, I am going to take up. Next, fourth syntax you see. There I am applying. There I am applying. Same thing. Same thing. Instead of getting random column numbers, on column numbers also slicing. This is called what? Row slicing. It is carry forwarded plus what? Column slicing. As we have done earlier, what? Column name slicing. Today we are doing what? Column start, column stop. Next is what? Column start, column start, column step. This two syntaxes I will carry. Are you following? So both the syntaxes I will carry. Go to the place. Print of df once. Print of df once. Now say here syntax number 5 or 4. So syntax number, okay, 5. Because I don't have doubt, I have doubt about you, that's why. Syntax number 5, because syntax number 6. Syntax number 6. So data frame object of these things I want to get it. What I'm getting? Get, what is this? Get the records. Get the records from 3 to 7, 3 to 7, 3 to 7. Get the records from 3 to 7 with all column names. With all column names. Come on, ma. df dot ILOC of 3:7, 3:8. Yes, correct. What is the next step? Column start, column stop. Column start, column stop, column stop. What is this now? Colon. Colon means all columns. Right? All columns are coming. Are you following? In place of that, you can happily say this answer also. What is that? 0:0. That's all. 0 colon also you can say. That is the 0th column to last. Also gives the same data. Also gives the same data. Here I can write happily what? I can say what? 0 colon how many? How many are there? 4. 4 means what? 0 colon 4. 0 colon 4 means 4 minus 1. I said already? Right. See students, getting the same answer? Right. So you can also get it here. You can also get it here. What I will say, 4 colon 0 colon what? Minus 1. You are going to get it what? Minus 1 means what? Plus 1 only you will get it. Are you getting? Reverse. ID is not coming. That time I will do what? You see now. I will remove this part. You are getting ID also or not? Yes. This technique already you learned like anything in our classes. Are you following? Yes. So enter into this place. Now I want to get it. Now I want to ask one question to one of my favorite student. Can I ask? Can I ask? Stand up. I found that student also knows. Stand up. They did not. You're looking aside. Stand up. T-shirt. Green T-shirt. Yes. Stand up. You are not listening my class. That is my botheration. I want to get this fifth record. I want to get this fifth record. I want to get this fifth record from here. Fifth record I want. Sakshi, Bangalore. I want to get it. Sit down. Next. Next. You also attracted towards him. Keep the button. Button bit first. Smartwatch. Very nice. I like it. Next. Subject. Subject must be more smart. Watch lemon. Today watch remove. After getting so much salary tomorrow, you can buy gold watch also, diamond watch also. Answer. I want to get fifth record. How do I get it? Quickly. You know, you don't know. My dear student. Such a important formulas I'm saying, not listening properly. I'm just worrying about you. Sit up. Can you answer it? Get what? Fifth record. Get what record? First thing. D of dot. D of dot. ILOC of 5. 5. Getting. Sakshi. One more way. One more way. Madhubavulu. What is that? LOC. LOC. LOC, ILOC works on the same. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes. This is the way to get the data. Are you able to follow? Yes. Be in the class. Why? Why can't you listen? Now I'm going to take up. This is column start and column stop and step. Are you getting it? Yes. Now I will apply all of them once in the class. What is this now? DF. See now. I want to get alternative records, alternative columns. Get all, get all, get all, even records, and what? Even columns. Even columns are odd columns. Odd columns. Okay, even columns. Okay, even columns. Even columns. Come on. DF dot ILOC of colon 2, comma, colon 2. Already syntax is here. Colon 2. Row start, row step. Column start, column step, stop. So done. So getting or not? Yes. Now odd kind of thing. Get odd kind of things. Get what records? Odd records, odd column names. What is this? 1 colon. So you'll get that. Are you following that? How do you merge both of them? This is called one data frame. This is called one data frame. How do you merge both of them? Already we talked about what? Binary rules on series. Binary rules. A, 210, 10, 220. మీకేం గుర్తుండదా గజనీస్? So done. If we go to series, I said operations on series. After going to home, open the notes and see series. మీరు ఎందుకు అసలు? So go to the place. My dear Gajnis, please look at series object. Under that, I said somewhere else, what are the operations? Some series operations, I said combined operations, appending operations. Here I said, here you see, here I said row A, row B, etc. Here I said something like this data. It is one thing. You are not remembering, you are making me to read out. Some more problem solving, statistical operations, etc. So I said sum of, add of, I said one more operation, series appending, overview, set values, get values, and getting columns. 1 minute, I will see example part. Go to this place, series examples on series. Just I will open it. Getting, add, remove. Here examples on series, accessing series part 2, getting data, statistical operations. Here I will just try to open it. Here I said sum of it. Here I am having nan. Here I said count of. Here max min. Next after that mean. Next is mean of that series values. Already said there is no doubt in that, but where is that explained? I am just observing it. Median. Next is standard deviation, mode. There is a function name called what? Add explain. Add. If you written the notes also, you can observe it. Maybe series part 2, I hope. Series object, names. Here series. Anybody found? S1 dot add of S2. Yeah, that's what I already done in the class. Add function I explained. Binary operation, sub function explained. Multiplication function explained. Operations, add and remove. Idena? This one. And you are expecting, if it is not found, sir will explain again. Claim under the. See that. This is a series A, B, C, D, E, A, B, F, G, S1 and S2. These are the values. Assume that these are your salaries, these are your commissions. S1 dot add. What is happening? This one is added 110. Next B and B is 210, 220. And C is not there here. C is not there. C is added with what? Nan. So it is going to be nan. That's why later we filled with value 0. Did you remember? Here F is nano, G is nano, D is nano, E is none. Only two things are matching. So for that I used what? Fill value. Fill value. Add. This is I took it as what? Equal values I took it. Done. After that we went for what? Add. Okay. Come to the place back. Next is called what? Fill value is equal to 0. That value C is equal to earlier we got what? 0 nan. Now it is called what? 0. 300 plus 0, 400 and then etc. With a negative also I said 5. Explained or not? This is explained. Already with a sub also explained. Sub with a fill value also explained. Explained already. So by listening with 1 year and forgetting with 1 year, that will take more years to complete your subject. So get the things already done. Now here I hope so. Start to step. Are you following now? Now see row start, row stop, only one column number also you can say. Only one column number also you can say. I hope you can work with this syntaxes. So after going to home, you work out with this syntaxes. Here 7 I set and here 8 I set. So this is 8. You try to work with this syntaxes. I hope you understood this syntaxes. How many ways are there to get the data? These are one, LOC and ILOC. Whatever the description I set, in place of column names, you write what here? Column numbers. And whose examples also I will post it. So tomorrow class when I come back, we are discussing about the another most important thing, the formula sheet containing how to add the columns to the data frame. How to do the calculations, very, very important. When Saturday comes, important class will start. I don't know how it is. All of a sudden, adding new columns, filtering the data with the conditions I am applying. Today, yesterday, easy. But tomorrow class, I cannot imagine how much important it is. All of a sudden, importance will start on Saturday. I don't know. Incidentally, that importance will start. Don't miss the class. See how many formulas are there. Here only I can say, pandas is over. What you will do? So I have to explain everything. Correct? Tomorrow, what is the concept? Adding the data and filtering the data from data frame. Thank you. All the best. See, VSP Kumar, see how she is saying the answers. Nice, nice student. So, all the students. So, Satya Gopal, God has willed on Saturday. Yes. Thank you, students. All the best. Take care. Big data set ఉంటుంది దాన్ని అనలైజ్ చేయడం ఈజీ పండాస్ బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే అన్ని పండాస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి మంచి జాబ్స్ ఉంటాయి పండాస్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత అటెండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ డిజాంగో క్లాస్ ఓకే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒక నిమిషం స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్ Indusha. 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 Next, Tejas.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Tejas, please.
Hello, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir. I'm really enjoying this, and I never think that I can understand this programming and pandas. What you are teaching is really, really very good.
Thank you, Tejas. Thank you, Teja.
And sir, I am from a mechanical background actually,
Okay.
but that's why I am very happy to this.
Thank you, my
Whatever
dear.
you're teaching. And I'm practicing, sir. But one thing is I'm worried about that, should we be worried about AV in our DevOps and data science career shape?
I suggest you better
Uh,
to learn after this very good knowledge on this now. Learn data
Mhm.
science. It will be very easy and you have very good career also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma?
And sir, please teach data science.
Definitely we'll plan it out, ma. Definitely we'll plan it out.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
Right, Teja. Thank you. Next is Shravanti. Yes, ma, Shravanti.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్
Good morning, ma.
సార్ ఇది SQL లో యూజర్ నేమ్ అడగట్లేదు,
Hmm.
ఓన్లీ పాస్వర్డ్ మాత్రమే అడుగుతుంది. ఇది MySQL 8.0.
MySQL లో ఓన్లీ అదే వస్తుంది, ఏమని పాస్వర్డ్ మాత్రమే అడుగుతుంది.
మరి యూజర్ నేమ్ మీరు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లో యూజర్ నేమ్ అన్నారు కదా, అక్కడ
ఆ,
సేమ్ అదే టైప్ చేయాలి సార్?
సేమ్ అంటే మనం ఏమైతే ఇచ్చుంటామో ఇన్స్టలేషన్ టైంలో అదే ఇవ్వాలి.
అంటే పాస్వర్డ్ అడిగింది, పాస్వర్డే యూజర్ నేమ్ గా కూడా టైప్ చేయాలి.
అంతే.
అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ సార్, ఇది నాకు క్రియేట్ డేటాబేస్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ అంటే ఓకే.
క్రియేట్
నెక్స్ట్ లైన్
డేటాబేస్ నేమ్, టేబుల్ నేమ్ కాదు, డేటాబేస్ నేమ్.
ఓకే ఓకే, అదే ఎంప్లాయీ ఆర్ స్టూడెంట్ సంథింగ్. అండ్ యూజ్ డేటాబేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. అండ్ షో డేటాబేస్ అనగానే నాకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది సార్.
ఇక్కడ MySQL లో చేయాలమ్మా అది.
MySQL కమాండ్ లైన్ లోనే చేస్తున్నాను సార్ అప్పటికి.
షో డేటాబేసెస్ అనాలి, డేటాబేసెస్.
షో డేటాబేసెస్. ఓకే సార్, ఐ విల్ ట్రై. ఎర్రర్ కూడా ఎలా వస్తుందంటే ఎర్రర్ 1064 అని సంథింగ్.
ఎర్రర్ కోడ్ వస్తుంది, అది ఎర్రర్ కోడ్ వస్తుంది.
దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ సార్.
అది ఎర్రర్ కోడ్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది, మీరు తప్పు చేసినందువల్ల వస్తుంది. షో డేటాబేసెస్, షో రాసి డేటాబేసెస్ అనేది స్పేస్ ఇవ్వకూడదు, డేటాబేసెస్ అని ఒకటే వర్డ్ రాయాలి.
ఓకే సార్, ఐ విల్ ట్రై సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే. రేష్మా.
Sir, morning, sir.
Morning, ma.
Sir, Django class. What about Django class, sir?
Yes, ma. So many people are saying the message also. Ma, 4 o'clock one batch is started, and it's very sorry to say. And you please look look for alternative, ma. Instead of from my batch, you look at for alternative. Other faculty you need to attend.
Sir, you started? You already started?
Yeah, 4 p.m. it is started. Python only started.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sriram Naidu, about Django you are asking, ma. Same answer for you also, my dear student. Don't feel for that. Next, Indusha. Okay, students, take care. All the best. So, don't miss the classes in the further. Pravanti, yes, ma'am, but I have some more classes now. That's why Django is right now is not planned. So 4 p.m. Python is planned, ma'am. So don't misunderstand me, because whatever the batch I am having, I am handling it. So attend other batch if possible. Right. So yes, ma'am. Okay, ma. Mohan Priya, if you send the link, I will download, sir. Can I message in WhatsApp? Yes, ma. You can happily you can send it. I will transfer that link for you. You can. Take care, students. All the best. Don't miss now further. Indusha, you are unable to receive my acceptance, ma. That is a request. You raised your hand. I unmuted you, but I did not get your voice. Okay, Raghavendra, sure, my dear student. So we'll take care about it. When my batch will start, you can attend that. Thank you, students. All the best. Thank you. All the best.